Welcome to Port St Lucie Army Corps of Engineers Lock and Dam Campground. This will be the world's shortest tour. There's a shelter which may be reserved. There's a boat ramp. There's the lock. If you're into boat camping, there's 8 boat sites, 1 through 8. Puffins at 8. And nobody's at 1, and there is a courtesy dock. There's 9 RV sites and 3 tent sites. Like I said, this will be the world's shortest tour because it's not very big. There's 9. Tiffin is on 8. Legro Bay has site 1 right on the canal. I'll be over here in a couple days. And then we've got a Jayco on site number 2. Nice view of the water. Great big nice Montana. Look at all them solar panels. Wow. This is site 2 with the Ford. I don't think I've ever seen that many solar panels before. Nice truck too. Turbo diesel Ram. And a couple bikes. Sweet. Hello. Got tent campsite number 1. Nobody's here. Nobody's home. They do have electric at these campsites. I would figure out some sort of an air conditioner. There's site number 2. Got something going on. Oop, site number 3. Is there a turtle? Probably. Gopher tortoise, don't fall into my hole. I don't know. He's probably down there somewhere. Got the little charging station. If you need your devices charged. Army Corps of Engineers. It's got wireless charging and USB charging. How cool is that? As long as the sun's out. Cool. Turn the lights off and on. Whoops. Lights are going to turn themselves off. So there you have it. The tents are pretty good walking distance from the bathroom. I don't know if you can see it up there. Let's see. This will be site number 4. It's a great big one. There's a vision on Site 5. Site 6 is empty. I think it was empty yesterday. Site 7's empty. And we're back home. Home on the range. There's the lock and dam. We're number 8. That's my camper. My rabbit. No, he's not my rabbit. Hi, Bunny. And then Site RV9 is right here, right next door. Hi, Mr. Bunny. He's fairly friendly. And then the tortoises might come out later. Anyhow, that gal you see walking had to walk clear from the tent to the bathroom. Okay. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. I try to answer all questions. If you got any questions, ask away. I'll sit here and talk to my bunny now. He's eating grass. Hi, Bun.